Stay tuned to see me and my family make these delicious chewy chocolate chip and walnut cookies. Hey guys, so this weekend I had my little niece over, and so one of our things that we love to do is bake cookies. And so I kind of made it a family affair. My mom helped. Don't mind her nails. I was doing mine and she wanted to use some of the extras that I can't fit. And I also let her edit this video. She has a really good artistic and creative eye. And so since she was helping to make the cookies, I decided to let her go ahead and edit the video. So we are just going to start by creaming the butter and the sugar together and making sure that it is nice and light and fluffy. And of course, I will include the recipe off of Pinterest down in the description box below. Now, for some reason, we had a lot of trouble with our mixer. Our paddles just would not stay in, but we persevered nonetheless. So while she creamed the butter and the sugar, I went ahead and added the dry ingredients to the other bowl so that I could go ahead and get those ingredients whisked together. So now that all of the dry ingredients are combined, I'm going to go ahead and crack the egg, and we are going to add that to the butter and sugar mixture to make it combine and get a lot more smooth. And then we're going to add the flour mixture in sections as to not create a huge flour dust storm. Once everything is completely combined, you want to make sure not to overmix. And then we just went ahead and added in our chocolate chips. And I had started to add the walnuts in, but I realized I wanted to chill the dough. And I was actually going to only add the walnuts into a section of the dough because not everybody in my family eats nuts. And I wanted to be respectful of that. And so I did put the dough in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And while it was chilling, we did go ahead and line our baking sheets with parchment paper. So now, as you can see by her wonderful graphics on the screen, it is time for the fun part of scooping the cookies out. I definitely will say that adding the cookie dough to the fridge for a while to chill was a great decision because it made the cookies form really nicely, and I really think it just added to the flavors and the depth of the cookies taste. So once you get your cookies formed, you're going to actually go ahead and sprinkle the tops of them with some flaky sea salt. And as you can see, me trying to open the box of salt was a fail, but you know, we improvise. And now we're just going to add the cookie dough balls to the oven, and we are going to put them in for 350 for around 12 minutes. And this is what they'll look like as they come right out of the oven. And I have let them sit and cool for a little while. And here are the completed chewy chocolate chip and walnut cookies. They were so good, you guys. I was going to do a tasting shot on camera, but my family devoured them. We ended up having a movie night that night, and there were no more cookies for me to go ahead and even show you on camera us tasting them because they took those cookies out. And I will definitely say adding the flaky sea salt on the top of the cookies adds a whole nother dimension of flavor to these cookies. And so I would advise that you don't leave this step out because you will miss how it just completes the cookie. And it was honestly the best cookies I've ever made. And I would definitely make these again. And I suggest that you do as well. Also, I hope you guys leave a comment down below letting my niece know how well she did with the editing of the video. I wanted to help to cultivate her eye for the creative arts. And so I really enjoyed allowing her to go ahead and edit this video for me. So make sure that you leave her some love down in the comments and let her know how great she did. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel, share with a friend, and turn on that bell for notifications. And join me again next Tuesday for another DIY. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right. I love you guys. Bye.